What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, I have been trying everything I can to go viral on YouTube. I mean, my channel is just growing so damn slowly. So I think I'm gonna do something today that I never thought I'd do. I'm gonna give you guys a striptease. But before I do that though, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around, because I'm about to strip down. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a striptease. But I just wanna be clear here, I am talking about a cocktail. That's right, folks. Today I'm gonna make you a cocktail called the Striptease, and it was created by bartender Yana Volfson over at Cosme in New York City, right, folks? Now let's look at what is in the sauce. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is get your glass out, okay? We're gonna be serving that in a rocks glass. I've already had that chilling like a villain here. And then you just wanna, wet the side with a bunch of absinthe, all right, folks? I'm gonna get a nice absinthe spray on the side, all right? And then I'm gonna dip that side in some salt, all right, folks? So there we go. We have a nice salty side of our glass, all right? And then what I'm gonna do is just put this salt to the side so it doesn't spill over the place. All right, so put that to the side. And then, ooh, sorry about that. That was the little bottle there. And now we're gonna go ahead and dip into our liquids here, right? The first thing we're gonna need is a ½ ounce of Agave Nectar. That's a little bit rich for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit less, but if you like your stuff extra sweet, you go ahead. So I'm gonna do like, maybe 1/3 an ounce. All right, there we go. All right, beautiful. And then we're gonna do a ½ ounce of Soursop Nectar. Soursop Nectar is a very popular fruit and juice in Jamaica. So we're gonna do, and it's very earthy and stuff, right, folks? So we're gonna do a ½ ounce of Soursop Nectar. I'm gonna be using the Goya brand, but you can use whatever Soursop you have access to, okay? And then I'm gonna do 3/4 an ounce of lime juice, all right, folks? All right, whoops, wrong side there. 3/4 an ounce of lime juice. Okay. Just to help out balance the sweetness you're gonna get from the Soursop Nectar and the Agave Nectar. So it should be nice and delicious, right? And then we're gonna use 3/4 an ounce of Bianco Vermouth, or you can also use a Blanc, whichever you have. It's just French versus Italian. So we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of a Bianco Vermouth. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Mezcal, okay? I'm gonna be using Madre. So this is gonna deliver some nice smoky notes to go along with the saltiness of the glass and all the other stuff that's going on here. So this should have a nice round flavor, okay, folks? So let's go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. And we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook this bad boy up enough. Let's go ahead and get our glass out, the one that has all the salt on the side, all right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put a big old cube in there, and then I'm gonna pour this bad boy in. The smoke coming off of this, the nose, is just really remarkable. I mean, that Mezcal definitely is gonna give you some nice aromatics. All right, beautiful. This is a nice looking little cocktail, all right? And there we have it, folks, our Striptease cocktail. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our Striptease cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh, that is really good, guys. Oh, this is really good. This is savory, it's smoky, it's earthy. I mean, it's got a lot going on. I think that I put just the perfect amount of agave. I think if you went the full ½ ounce, it actually would still work out okay. I went a little bit less, and it's still, not sweet at all. It's got a great balance. I think this is actually a really well-balanced cocktail. Oh yeah, guys. It has just the right amount of sweetness. The salt definitely helps to brighten up the cocktail and like kind of accentuate some of the flavors. This is a yummy, yummy cocktail, guys. And if you've never had Soursop before, like I said, it does offer a bit of its own kind of funky flavors, funky notes as well, a little earthy. This is a really delicious cocktail, guys. I think you would absolutely love it. If you're a fan of margaritas, I think you're really especially gonna dig this. because it does have some of the margarita vibes going on, right, folks? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.